This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video we're going to do a quick little tour of the Tallahassee RV Park in Tallahassee, Florida. It's conveniently located right off of I-10. If you're coming from the east, it's the first exit into Tallahassee. It's very convenient. And what's super convenient about it, there's a Tractor Supply right next to the RV park. Across the street is a Publix, and next to the Waffle House, there is a Circle K that has 4 truck lanes if you need diesel. It's really a nice park. We stay there all the time. We've just never done a video on it, so we're gonna do a quick little tour, so stay tuned.
Pulling into Tallahassee RV Resort. We've stayed here multiple times because Kyle lives here. It's always very clean, very well laid out.
Hopefully we're not in these 2 front spots.
So when you come in, you want to hug a left here. Now if you come in after hours, I'll show you the board that they put you up, your paperwork up on. Office closes at 5. There's the board right there.
Hello. Community fire pit. Got some games here. Bathhouse. The only downside to this park is there's only 2 showers, and they're both singles and 2 toilets. That's the only downside to this whole park. So here's a swimming pool, kind of a small pool. So last night I checked the temperature, the real test. 71.1. And guess what? It is not heated. It's a laundry area. There's 3 washers and 3 dryers. It's $1.50 to wash. No, $1.50 to dry, $2 to wash. You need to bring your own soap because there's no machine in here to buy soap. But it's definitely a nice little laundry area. In editing this video, I discovered that the footage that I took of the clubhouse, the file was corrupt. So I apologize for that. But it's a super cool clubhouse. I was surprised when I walked in. It's got a full kitchen. It's got a bunch of animal heads up on the wall. One is a big buffalo. It's got comfy couches, games. It's got everything in there that you need on a rainy day. It's a really nice clubhouse. One thing to note also in this video, the Big Oak RV Park in Tallahassee, we stayed there once. It's not very nice. I mean, it has good ratings on the internet, but there's a bunch of creepy people that live there permanently. And our friends have stayed there too, and they had the same thing, that they would not go back. So back to the video. Avoid those first 3 sites. They're on a curve and they're kind of short. We've been in them a couple times and we could barely get our truck in there. It was difficult, and then I couldn't put my awning out because it was just too short. Here's our site over here. We're number 8 and full hookups. These are all nice pull-through sites. There's someone pulling out right now. There's Miss Deb inside. We really like this park. It's very well run. You know, we've never been in the clubhouse. The clubhouse is very cool. It's got a full kitchen and everything in there.
Wow.
It's very nice. So you can now reserve one of these spots on Camp Spot. You used to have to call and make a reservation. Now you can do it all online. Just try not to get one of those first sites 1, 2, or 3. They're always transit sites, and they If you're only staying for one night, that's where they try to put you, and they're not very good sites. But otherwise, we really like this park. It's very well run. So we hope you like this short little video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on our next adventure. See you.